Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how you can control a LED with a push button. That means when you press a push button, the LED will glow, otherwise the LED will be turned off. What component we need for make this project? First, we need a breadboard. I am using a small size breadboard here. Then we need an LED. Okay, I am placing the LED on the breadboard. Okay, now I need resistance. This is 220 ohms, and we need an another resistance which is 10 kilo ohms. Okay, and we need a push button. Okay, we need a 9-volt battery for power supply, and we need a voltage regulator IC called LM7805. Okay, now I am placing this IC on the breadboard. Okay, now we connect the 20 ohms resistance to the negative terminal of the LED. Okay, you can see the LED negative terminal is connected with the 220 ohms resistance. Now we place the push button on the breadboard. I am placing the push button at the middle of the breadboard. You can see here, just like you also place on the breadboard. Otherwise, it will make the short circuit. So now what we will do? We will need a resistance 10 kilo ohms. Okay, this resistance I will connect at that terminal, and I rotate this. This is resistance connected to the 2A terminal. You can see here 2A terminal, and this terminal is connected to the output of the voltage regulator IC. So we know that this IC provides us a 5 volt from the 9-volt battery. So I'm going to connect the 5 volt output with here this pin. You can see, okay, this is a positive pin. So this color will be red. Just like you need to connect the output of the IC with the this terminal of the push button. Now what we will do? We will connect the LED with the switch to control the LED. Okay, so now I will take this terminal. This is called 2B. This terminal will go to the anode or positive terminal of the LED. So now I am going to connect. Here I am taking a jumper wire and connecting the positive terminal. You can see the positive is connected with the this terminal of the push button switch. So now we will connect the negative terminal of the LED. We already connected a resistance, a 220 ohms resistance with the LED negative terminal, and the another terminal of the resistance will connect with the ground. So now I am connecting the resistance another terminal with the ground. We know this is a ground port. Okay, every port is ground here. Okay, so now negative and positive both are connected with the LED. Now what we will do, we will power supply the 5 volt IC. So the battery positive terminal, I am taking a wire and connecting the positive terminal of the battery with the first pin of the 7805 IC. Okay, this is a positive, and the battery negative terminal I will connecting with the middle pin of the IC. This is a ground pin. Okay, so I am taking a wire and connecting the uh, ground on negative and connecting with the negative terminal. So this all negative are connected with the main negative terminal. Okay, so now if we run it or simulate it and press the switch, you can see LED is glowing. Okay, you can see the LED is glowing. So you can control the multiple LEDs using multiple of switches, just like the same formation. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.